अस्सलामुअलैकुम। ये सेकेंड ईयर का फिज़िक्स का गेस्ट पेपर है। इसमें मैं आप लोगों को शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन और मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल बताने वाली हूँ, तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना है। सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट का नाम है द पोटेंशियल इज कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट अ गिवन रीजन ऑफ स्पेस is the electrical field zero or non-zero in this region? Explain. Suppose that you follow an electric field line due to a positive point charge. The electric field and the potential increases or decreases. Electric line of force never cross y. Is the electric necessarily zero inside a charged rubber balloon? If balloon is spherical, assume that charge is distributed uniformly over the surface. D electron tend to go to region high potential of low potential. Show that the Coulomb's law obeys Newton's third law. Define relative permittivity or dielectric constant. What is its unit? Define electric flux. What are its unit? Difference between electric intensity and potential difference. Prove that electric intensity is equation to negative of potential gradient. Long question है. State and explain Coulomb's law. Also express Coulomb's law in vector form. State and explain gaseous law. Describe the Milton's method to find the charge on an electron. What is meant by a capacitor and its capacitance? Define the unit of capacitance. इसमें से मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जो न्यूमेरिकल हैं वो 12.4, 12.5 एंड 12.9, मतलब 4 न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 4, 5 एंड 9। चैप्टर नंबर 13 जो इसका सेकंड चैप्टर है, करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज अप्लाइड अक्रॉस द एंड ऑफ अ कॉपर वायर। व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑन द drift velocity of free electron by increasing the potential difference, decreasing the length and temperature of the wire? Do bend in wire affect in its electrical resistance? Explain. Why does the resistance of a conductor rise temperature? Is the filament resistance lower or higher in a 500 watt 220 volt light bulb than in a 100 watt और 220 volt bulb? Describe a circuit which will give a continuously varying potential. Explain why and why the terminal potential difference of a battery decrease when the current drawn from it is increased. What is the Wheatstone bridge flow? Can it be used to determine an unknown resistance? What are the difficulties in testing whether the filament of a light bulb obeys Ohm's law? Long question है. What is the temperature coefficient of resistance and resistivity? Derive their formula. State and explain Kirchhoff's rule. 0.75 current flows through an iron wire when a battery of 1.5 volt is connected across its terminal, and the length of the wire is 5.0 meter and its cross sectional area is 2.5 multiplied by 10 की पावर नहीं है, 2.5 multiplied 10 meter. Compute the resistivity of iron. Numerical 2, 3 and 5 important है. Electromagnetism. A plane conducting loop is located in a uniform magnetic field that is directed along the x-axis. Forward orientation of the loop is the flux a maximum? Forward orientation is the flux a minimum? Two charged particles are projected into a region where there is a magnetic field perpendicular to their velocities. If the charges and deflected in opposite direction, what can you say about them? Suppose that a charge q is moving in uniform magnetic field with a velocity v. Why is there no work done by the magnetic force that acts on the charge q? If a charged particle moves in a straight line through some region of space, can you say that the magnetic field in the region is zero? Why? Due to picture on a TV screen become distorted when a magnet is brought near the screen. You can how can you use a magnetic field to separate isotopes of chemical element? Is it possible to orient a current loop in a uniform magnetic field such that the loop will not tend to rotate? Explain. Difference between magnetic flux and magnetic flux intensity. इसी चैप्टर के लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है एक्सप्लेन द टर्म मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स एंड मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स इन एम्पेयर्स लॉ फाइंड द एक्सप्रेशन फ्रॉम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इनसाइड अ करंट कैरिंग सोलिनॉइड व्हाट इज एन एवोमीटर डिस्क्राइब इट्स वेरियस फंक्शन व्हाट इज डिजिटल मल्टीमीटर यहाँ से इसी चैप्टर के मतलब चैप्टर नंबर 14 जो है इसी के जो न्यूमेरिकल इंपॉर्टेंट हैं वो 14.2, 4, 5, 8 एंड 9. Chapter number 15 Electromagnetic Induction. Does the induced EMF in a current depend on the resistance of the circuit? Does the induced current depend on the resistance of the circuit? A square loop of wire is moving through a uniform magnetic field. The normal to the loop is oriented parallel to the magnetic field. Is EMF induced in the loop? Give the reason to your answer. Does the induced EMF always act to decrease the magnetic flux through a circuit? How would you position a flat loop of wire in a changing magnetic field so that there is no EMF induced in the loop? In a certain region, the Earth's magnetic field point vertically down. When a plane flies due north, which wingtip is positively charged? Show that del phi over del t. It is possible to change both the area of the loop and the magnetic field passing through the loop and still not have an induced EMF in the loop. When an electric motor, such an electric drill, is being used, does it also act as a generator? If so, what is the consequence of this? Can a setup transformer increase the power level? In a transformer, there no transformer of change from the primary in the secondary. How is then the power transferred? Long question. Define potential. Define motional EMF and derive a relation for it. State and derive Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. State and explain Lenz's law. Also proves that Lenz's law is according to law of conservation of energy. यहाँ से जो न्यूमेरिकल इम्पोर्टेंट हैं 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12 एंड 18. और चैप्टर नंबर 16 है अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. अ sinusoidal current has a run value of 10 ampere. What is maximum or P value? Name the device that will permit flow of direct current but opposite the flow of alternating current. Permit flow of alternating current but not the direct current. How many times per second will an incandescent lamp reach maximum brilliance when connected to a 50 Hz source? A circuit contains an iron clad inductor, a switch and a DC source arranged in series. The switch in closed and after an interval reopened. Explain why a spark jumps across the switch contacts. How does doubting the frequency after the reactance of an inductor a capacitor in a resistance and inductance circuit will the current tag or let the voltage? Illustrate your answer by a vector diagram. Explain the condition under which electromagnetic wave are produced from a source. How the reception of a particular radio station is selected on your radio set. What is meant by AM and FM? Long question है. Discuss the behavior of an inductor in an AC circuit and wire expression for the inductive reactance. Question number 2. What is an inductor? Derive the relation for energy stored in an inductor. Discuss the AC through a resistance and current series circuit. Describe the behavior of RC and RL series circuit with an AC source. Calculate the impedance of both the circuit by drawing their impedance diagram. यहाँ से जो न्यूमेरिकल इम्पोर्टेंट हैं वो ये हैं 2, 3, 4, 6 एंड 8 और एग्जाम्पल जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट हैं वो है 1 और 5. Physics of solid. Distinguish between crystalline, amorphous and polymeric solids. Define stress and strain. What are their SI units? Difference between tensile, compressive and shear modes of stress and strain. Define modulus of elasticity. Show then the unit of modulus of elasticity and stress are the same. Also discuss its three kinds. Draw stress strain curve for a ductile material and then define the term elastic limit, yield point and ultimate tensile stress. What is meant by strain energy? How can it be determined from the force extension graph? Describe the formation of energy band in solids. Explain the difference among electrical behavior of conductors, insulators and semiconductors in terms of energy band theory. Distinguish between intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor. How would you obtain a type and P type material from pure silicon? Illustrate it by schematic diagram. Discuss the mechanism of electrical conduction by holes and electrons in a pure semiconductor element. What is meant by para, dia and ferromagnetic substances? Give example for each. What is meant by high stresses loss? How is it used for construction of a transformer? Long question and define stress and strain. Write a note on Young's bulk and shear modulus. What are the semiconductors? Discuss the formation of p-type and n-type materials with their schematic diagram. Describe the formation of energy band in solid. Explain the difference among electrical behavior of conductors, insulators and semiconductors in terms of energy band theory. What is energy band theory in solid? Distinguish between conductors, insulators and semiconductors on the basic or this theory. ये न्यूमेरिकल हैं 1, 2, 3 and 4 और है चैप्टर नंबर 18 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. How does the motion of an electron in an n-type substance differ from the motion of holes I and p-type? What is the net charge on an n-type or p-type substance? Why charge carriers are not present in the depletion region? What is biasing requirement of the junctions of transistor for its normal operation? Explain how these requirements are met in a common committee amplifier. What is the principle of virtual ground? Apply it to find the gain of an inverting amplifier. Why ordinary silicon diodes do not emit light? What is the biasing requirement of junctions of a transistor for its normal operation? Explain how their requirements are met in a common emitter amplifier. What is the principles of virtual ground? Apply it to find the gain of an inverting amplifier. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है इसी चैप्टर के. एक्सप्लेन द वर्किंग ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर एज अ स्विच. डिस्क्राइब द यूज ऑफ ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर एंड इन्वर्टिंग एम्पलीफायर एंड find an expression for its gain. Describe the use of operational amplifier as a comparator. Also explain the working of comparator as a night switch. न्यूमेरिकल जो इम्पोर्टेंट है 1, 4 एंड 6 हैं वो. Dawn of modern physics. Does the dilation means that time really passes more slowly in moving system, or that it only seem to pass more slowly? If speed of light were infinite, what would the equation of special theory of relativity reduce to? As a solid to heated and begins to glow, why does it first appear red? What happened to total radiation from its black body if its absolute temperature is double? Which photon, red, green or blue, carries the most energy and momentum? If an electron and a proton have the same do Broglie wavelength, which particle has greater speed? If the following particles have the same energy, which has the shortest wavelength? Electron, alpha particle, neutron and proton. Photon A has twice the energy of photon B. What is the ratio of the momentum of A to B? A long question है. What is Planck's assumptions about the radiation? What are photons? Derive the relation of momentum of photons. What is Compton effect? How is phenomenon was explained by A. H. Compton. State and explain Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Most important numerical and 2, 6, 8 and 9. Atomic spectra. Chapter number 20. Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom is based upon several assumptions. Do any of these assumptions contradict classical physics? How do Broglie interpret the second postulate of Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom? What are the advantages of lasers over ordinary light? Is energy conserved when atom emits a photon of light? Explain why a glowing gas gives only certain wavelength of light and why that gas is capable of showing the same wavelength. Give a reason why it is transparent to other wavelength. What is meant by a line spectrum? Explain how line spectrum can be used for the identification of element. How does uncertainty principle explain existence of electron in the nucleus? Compare the shortest wavelength radiation in bracket series. Long question है. What are X-rays? How X-rays are produced? State the basic postulate of Bohr's theory of atomic structure. Also derives the expressions for radii of quantized orbits. Numerical जो important है वो है 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Chapter number 21. Nuclear physics. What fraction of a radioactive sample decay after 2 half-lives have elapsed? What information is revealed by the length and shape of the tracks of incidence particle in Wilson cloud chamber? Difference between nuclear power and fossil fuel power. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of fusion power from the point of safety, pollution and resources. Which radiation does would deposit more energy to your body? 10 mg to your hand, 1 mg does to your entire body. What is a radioactive trance? Describe one application each in medicine, agriculture and industry. Explain how A and B particles may ionize an atom without directly hitting the electrons. What to the difference in the action of the two particles for producing ionization. Describe a brief account of interaction of various type of radiation with matter. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज रेडियो एक्टिविटी डिस्कस इमिशन ऑफ अल्फा एंड बीटा एंड गैमा रेडिएशंस फ्रॉम रेडियो एक्टिव न्यूक्लाई इफ 273 यूरेनियम 92 decay twice by alpha emission, what is the resulting isotopes? The half life of SR is 9.70 hours. Find its decay constant. Describe the principal construction and uses of GM counter for detecting nuclear radiation. न्यूमेरिकल हैं 2, 4, 6 एंड 9। यहाँ पे हमारा आज का लेक्चर होता है ख़त्म। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियो पसंद आने की सूरत में लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।